Today is Friday, August 26th. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado power window motor. This is used for the left-hand front driver side as well as the rear passenger side. It's interchangeable between those two positions, and the unit's been completely disassembled and rebuilt, and I'm going to be doing a functional validation test under power. Now we'll go ahead and reverse polarity. Okay, and that's the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado power window motor going to my friend Doc in Texas. Thank you very kindly. Today is Monday, August 26th. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1978. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the instrument clusters, the power seat mechanisms, power door locks, window motors, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Friday, August 26th. Thank you very kindly.